Hi, welcome to part 2 of my prototyping beginner class to masterclass. In this part, we'll be learning on how to work with flames and buttons. So let's get started. To get started, we'll be dealing with flames and buttons, and I'll be showing you how to hover over buttons and icons. There are two types of hover. First, the primary hover and the secondary hover. The primary hover is very easy to do, while the secondary hover is a bit complex. So we'll be starting with the primary hover, and to do that, we'll select a button, then go to interaction, then choose add a style insert like mouse over, then choose the first one, mouse over style, then fill color, then you can give it any color of your choice. It's any color you want to give. Then next will be the font color, which is the text color. Right here, you can change the text color. Give mine white, I'll leave it as it is, and then choose OK. So let me preview and see how it works. Okay, where is my mouse? Okay, so it works. Then next will be the secondary hover, and this has to do with us creating a dynamic panel because there are two different widgets here, so we have to create a dynamic panel to make it one, then do the interaction. Select it, then right click and choose dynamic panel. Okay, so we've created a dynamic panel. Double click it and add state, so we name it hover. And go back to state 1 and select Ctrl A to select the tool widget and Ctrl C to copy it. Then paste it in hover. Okay, make sure it's equal to the others. And now we are going to do the interaction, but we can also name our dynamic panel so that when we are doing the interaction, we can't face any difficulty when we are dealing with it. We already know the name, so just go straight and choose. Okay, so I'll give it a name. Here we go. Alright, now to interaction, then mouse enter. Okay, then mouse enter, set state panel, then choose, so hover. I'll choose hover because I name it in state 2. I name it hover. Then okay, but something is missing. Okay, so we'll go back to hover and change the color. So I will need the widget. I will need the first one. Sorry, I will start the first one with black color. Okay, then the icon, I will start it with a white color to change it like this. Let me preview so you can see how it looks. Okay, so when I hover on top of it, it changed to, when I hover on top of it, it changed to black and white, the same color I gave it in the second step. But when I remove the mouse, it remains the same. It's supposed to change to the same, it's supposed to change back, but it's still the same. So we are going to do another interaction. So to do that, click on it and come to interaction. So you come here, the small arrow here in the right corner, then click it and choose mouse exit, then click on it and then okay, then we go to add one, then set state panel, then we go to Google, then leave it like that because we want it to be, when we remove the mouse, it should set back to the first state, which is state 1. So leave it like that and okay. Let me preview again, then we'll see how it looks. Okay, so now we are done with our secondary hover. Next, I want us to link a button. So we'll be linking a button to the next page. So to do that, we'll click here on the sign up, then go to interaction, new interaction. We'll come to click on tab and open link. So we want to link it to the next page, which is our third page. Okay, so we'll click on the third page, then okay, so let's preview and refresh and see if it's working. Okay, so it's working. So it has linked to the third page. This is the third page, which is the sign up page. Sorry, we have to create yet the sign up page. Then here I want to create a link back to the second page, which is our second design, because I named it second design. So we'll click the box, then click the button, then go to new interaction, then click on tab, open link, then second design, because when we click, so it will come to the second design. Okay, then okay, so let's see how, let me preview and see how it works. Alright, so now refresh. Where is my mouse? Okay, now okay, so that's it. When I click, then it go back to the second page, so it's working. Next, I want to do a waiting page. Okay, so when the page load, it will load for a certain amount of time, then it will take us to the second page. So this is the page, our first design. So when I will set it on a certain amount of time, maybe 2 or 3 seconds. Then after that, it will move to the next page. So to do that, make sure you are not selecting anything. So you go to interaction, new interaction, then page load. So when we choose page load, then waiting. Okay, then now it's on 1 second, which is 1000, but I want to do it 3 seconds, so I'll change the 1 to 3, then okay. So add interaction, then open link and then second design, because when it's load after 3 seconds, I want it to show the second page, which is the second design. So I'll click second design, then okay. So let's see how it's working. 3 seconds. Okay, so it's working. Then over. Okay, so it's work, guys.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.